Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Are you looking to add basmati rice to a dish, but maybe you don't have time to cook it up? Well, these little minute rice cups are the perfect solution. They are super simple, delicious, and they help you to get a meal on the table in no time at all. So these little cups are a 1 cup portion size, which is perfect. They are really simple to prepare. You can just take the little film off of it, pop it into the microwave for a minute, and then you are good to go. This basmati rice is so delicious. It has those really long, delicate grains. And even though this is pre-cooked, it is not mushy or overdone. It tastes really nice. It's very aromatic. And it is the perfect thing to go with your curries or anything else that you want to put with it. I love to keep things like this on hand for a quick meal, either when I am working from home and I don't have a lot of time, or even for a quick supper. We can easily pair this with something else and have our meal on the table really quickly. So if you're looking for a very convenient rice solution, then I would definitely check out these minute cups. Super tasty, and that's my point of view.